Hi guys, welcome to the official demo of Al Arouj POS. In this video, we'll begin setting up the gym module. We will cover two features today, classes and packages. In my previous video, I gave you an overview of gym module. Now let's dive into the setup. First, let's go to the classes menu. Click on add to create a new class. You will need to fill in few information, that is class name, start time, end time, and also a description if you want to. Let's add our first class. I will name this class as yoga. Set the start time and also the end time of the class. I will also add a short description of this class. After adding all the information, click on save. So this is how to add classes in the gym module. I will add few more classes and then we will move into the package menu. As you can see, we have added all the classes. You can edit or delete a class at any time. Now let's move to the packages menu. Click on add to create a new package. You will need to enter the package name, amount, duration, classes, and also a note if you want to. For duration, you can choose it as monthly, quarterly, half year, yearly, lifetime, and also custom. If you choose the duration as custom, you will be able to manually set the end date when the package is purchased. For other duration like monthly, you will just need to select the start date and the system will auto-calculate the end date. For the classes, you can choose the classes that are included in the package. So let's start adding the package. I will name the package as Group Active. Enter the amount of this package. The duration of this package is quarterly. Now select the classes that are included in this package. You can add a note if you want to. After adding all the information, click on save. So this is how to create a new package in the gym system. I will create few more packages. Click on add to create a package. I will set the name as Fitness Basic. Enter the amount. The duration of this package is quarterly. And as for this package, no classes are included. So I will just leave it like this. Add a note if you want to. After adding all the information, click on save. As you can see, I have done adding all the package. I add package with monthly, quarterly, and custom duration. Every package is unique. You can edit a package anytime. However, once a package is purchased by a customer, the delete option will no longer be available for that package. So that's it for today's video. You have now seen how to add classes and packages in the gym module. In our upcoming video, we will continue setting up the gym system by covering other menus like members, subscription, and more. So stay tuned. I will see you in the next video.